everybody, this is Danny with MyFigStix, y'all. It is fig ripening season in East Texas. Okay, I've got 2 more figs coming ripe on my Canadria tree. This will be the first figs that were not jump started in the grow tent. Y'all, they're huge. So let's do a taste test. I want to give a little bit of history, a little background, a little bit of information on the Canadria tree, but let's get this guy picked and then we'll take him over to the table and we'll do a tasting. All right, first let's talk about the tree for just a second. This Canadria came from Lazy Dog. Y'all, I just cannot say enough about Lazy Dog. I've had nothing but great success with his trees. They grow well, they fruit well, they're healthy. Love his trees, but you can see how much this one is growing. I've had to pinch it a couple times. I do have 3 air layers going. I hope that Lazy Dog lineage holds on with my air layers, but I've been protecting these. I've got birds, a mockingbird that is loving everything in my yard right now. The good news is I think the mockingbird has turned its attention to the tomato hornworms, but this fig right here is so soft. So we're gonna take that one. I think this one back here, it's so close, but I'm not gonna take it. I'm gonna wait on that one. So let's get this one. Y'all can see just how big this fig is. It is rather large. So popped him off. Oh goodness. I think maybe the bag protected it from the ants because I have ants everywhere too. So let's get this guy over on the table. We'll get a weight on him. I want to talk a little bit about the Canadria tree. I've been reading up on it and where it came from, who introduced it, when it was introduced. So let's do a little background on this tree. A little origin story, if you will. Okay, how about this for a strange angle? But I just wanted to talk a little bit about the Canadria fig. So this fig was introduced in California, 1955. Ira, let me look this guy's name back up. So it was introduced by, where's his name at? Ira Condit. So you can see just how pretty this fig is. I hope y'all can see it. Y'all, I absolutely love when they start cracking in the skin like that. So pretty, but you can see the size of it. It's a very, to me, it's a large fig. So introduced in California, Ira Condit was the, I guess he was the breeder of the Canadria fig. So again, he came from California. So these figs are said to be medium large size. They say that they ripen August to October. But the really cool thing is, here in my zone, they say they're good from 7 to 11, but in my zone, I should get 2 crops out of the Canadria fig. So I'm really excited about that. I'm excited about this fig altogether. Let's see, the 2 crops, and it says it is very sweet with distinctive full-bodied flavor. So we're gonna find out exactly how good that is right here. Y'all, it says also the fig is delightful fruit, also known as it holds up well for drying. But what I want to point out is, look, it's got a very tight eye. Hopefully that is focusing in on y'all. We got 8 inches of rain on Monday. It is Thursday evening. This fig was beginning to ripen. It did not swell. It did not pop like a balloon. It is absolutely beautiful. So I think we have a fig here that is going to hold up to East Texas crazy storms, maybe even, you know, these weird monsoons that happen out of nowhere on a Monday afternoon when you get 8 inches in one day. So let's take a look at this. Let's get a weight on him. Let's see what the interior looks like, and let's hope he tastes good. Okay, so again, we'll take another look at this fig. I'll just kind of let y'all see how big it is in my hand. Man, how pretty is this? I absolutely love this cracking look it gets right there. So pretty. It is like a little bag of mush, which is what we're hoping for. Again, eye is very tight. Now I don't have any nectar coming from this one, But the good thing is no sap either. So you can see there, that was dry. It was ready to come off, very soft even up here at the top. But let's get a weight. Oh, looks like I've already got it 0. We'll go ahead and 0 it so y'all can see that. I hope y'all can see I'm outside today for this one, so I'm hoping y'all can see the 0. So let's set him on here. Oh yeah, so 70, mark it, 75 grams. So we're looking at 75 grams on this guy. So let's get him cut open. Oh man, I got the wrong knife. I didn't get the cool little orange knife. All right, so here we go. Here's the big reveal. All right, so it's not dark red, kind of a lighter color, but man, look how, can you see how juicy that is? I don't know. It's hard for me to look over this and see if y'all can see just how juicy that is, but let's go ahead and, gosh, it's so big. I could probably cut this one piece into 4 pieces, but there we go. Oh man, that is so juicy. All right, so let's see just how this tastes, full-bodied and sweet. We'll see if AI knows what it's talking about. All right, so holy mackerel, that is sweet. Definitely not a berry fig. What is that? I think it's a honey fig. I've not had a honey fig. That is good. It's sweet. It's not like overly sweet. Time to wake up. Okay, sorry about that. Alarm went off on my phone. I know what it's for. It's reminded me that Chad, Down Home Backyard Gardening, is about to go live, and I want to watch, and I want to be a part of that. But anyway, the fig, it's not overly sweet. I think it's honey, definitely not melon, obviously not berry. I've never had a honey fig before, but I think that's what this is. It's very good. I'm gonna go ahead and eat this one. This half will be for my wife. Man, I don't know that I knew exactly what I was expecting out of this, but I really like it. And this is the very first fig off this tree. I just got this tree. Did I get it over winter? I got it last fall. And this is the very first fig off of it. So, wow. If they get better, it's going to be super good. But y'all, that's it. That's the Canadria Fig. Again, another tree from Lazy Dog. Really hoping that lineage holds through on my air layers. But delicious fig, neat story. Came here in, or was introduced in 1955. Ira Condit in California. Y'all, I recommend it. I think it's very good. But then again, I haven't had a bad fig yet. If it's been a properly ripened fig, I've really enjoyed it. So I'm gonna recommend the Canadria. I think it's very good. It's sweet. I feel like as this tree matures, as I get more and more figs off of it, they're only going to get better and better. All right, so there you have it. Canadria Fig. Y'all, this is a fig tree I got from Lazy Dog Farms. I think that's a very good fig. I'm excited for that tree's future. I think these figs are only going to get better and better and better. Very sweet. I believe that's a honey fig. Again, that's my first, I'm gonna have to look it up. I didn't see anything. AI didn't tell me it was honey. I'm tasting more of a honey flavor, not melon, definitely not berry. Very good. I'm excited about that. Wanted to share with y'all that Canadria Fig. That is my first off of this tree. Boy, I can't wait till this tree matures, y'all. This is going to be a fun and exciting summer as I've got all kinds of new figs coming on that I've not had before. And I'm gonna share them all with you, y'all. As always, thanks for watching.